Updating your payment information on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to billing. In the user settings menu, scroll down and find the billing option on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your payment information. Step 4. Update payment method. Under the billing section, you will see your current payment method. Click on Edit or Add Payment Method to input new credit card details or other payment options. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Discord. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for assistance.